Just like a girl, unmarried girl, is undeveloped stage. But when she comes in contact with a Purusha, then she develops with so many children. So that beginning of motherly life is called time. But the time is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Purusha. Now Prakriti herself cannot produce anything. This material manifestation which we see, so beautiful cosmic manifestation, that is not alone by the Prakriti. As the materialistic scientists think that there was a chunk and there became manifested. These are foolish theories. Real is then in contact. Chaikhata, that is Vedic information. When the Supreme Personality of Godhead glanced over the Prakriti, Mahat Tattva, then the three gunas agitated. She begins to give birth in so many varieties of the 24 elements. We have already discussed the 24 elements. The ingredients are there. That is Prakriti. And Pradhana means when they are not manifested. And Prakriti means when they are manifested. And Prakriti, Pradhana, and above them there is the Purusha. That Purusha is Bhagavan, Sa Bhagavan. Chesta Jata Sa Bhagavan. Wherefrom the Prakriti begins to manifest. That is with the touch of Bhagavan. How touch? Chaikhata. By simply glancing over. The Prakriti becomes pregnant. Now, we cannot understand how one can make his wife pregnant simply by glancing. That is possible by Bhagavan. Therefore he is called Almighty. We have got experience. If we want to make pregnant my wife, then we have to use certain sense. That particular sense can make pregnancy. But the Supreme Personality of Godhead, being all-powerful, He can do anything from anywhere, from any sense. That is Almighty. We speak of Almighty, God is Almighty, but we do not understand what is the Almighty. This is Almighty. The Almighty Lord, simply by glancing over Prakriti, He makes the Prakriti pregnant, and the Prakriti produces so many varieties of life. Chesta. Chesta jata sab Bhagavan. So the Prakriti cannot give birth to the varieties. That is wrong theory. That is wrong theory. The real variety begins when the Prakriti is in touch with the Purusha. That is our experience also. How we can say that Prakriti can give birth, a woman can give birth to a child or many children without being touched with man? Where is our experience? There is no such thing. Therefore we should not take Prakriti as everything. We must find out the Purusha. Therefore, the Purusha who gives birth to these material varieties, that is Lord Shiva. And the Prakriti which gives birth to these varieties, that is Durga. Therefore, the original Prakriti and Purusha is represented by Shivalinga and Devi pot. Those who are worshippers of Shivalinga, they know the Devi pot and the Shivalinga, their worship. The original father, Krishna says, Aham bija pada pita. I am the seed-giving father. Sarva jonishu kaunteo sambhavanti murtaya. There are varieties of forms of life, how they are being begotten. So Krishna says, Aham bija pada pita. That pita, father, is Lord Shiva. So when Krishna comes in touch with Prakriti for giving birth of these varieties of forms of life, that is Shiva. That is Shiva. Shiva is not different from Krishna, but still Shiva is not Krishna. This is called inconceivable, one and different. Inconceivable, one and different. The example is given just like milk and sugar, dahi. Dahi is not different from milk. It is milk. It is milk, everyone knows. But it is not milk at the same time. You cannot get the benefit of milk by drinking dahi or sugar. Milk is used for different purpose and dahi is different purpose. When you take too much milk, you get dysentery. And if you go to the physician, he gives you some medicine to take with sugar, dahi. So, dahi or sugar is not different from milk, but it is not milk. Similarly, all these demigods, especially Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, they are the original chief demigods from Vishnu. So, these demigods, or even we are also the same principle, the living entities. Brahma is also in the category of living entities, and Lord Shiva is between the living entities and the Supreme Lord, in between. Therefore, you cannot keep Lord Shiva as living entity category, neither Vishnu category, via media. Kiranga jatha dadhivikara vishesha sangyoga. The Supreme Personality of Godhead does not come directly in touch with this Prakriti. But the form by which he touches this Prakriti, that is Lord Shiva. Therefore, Lord Shiva is not different from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. At the same time, he is not the Supreme Personality. This is the conclusion. So that chesta jatasya bhagavan. Therefore, Lord Shiva's another name is Kala Bhairav. Kala Bhairav. And he is the master of the annihilation. When this whole material creation will be required to be destroyed, it will be done by Lord Shiva. It is created by Lord Brahma, it is maintained by Lord Vishnu, and when it will be destroyed, it will be done by Lord Shiva. Therefore, there are three original demigods. So, Kala Bhairav, Chesta Jatasya Bhagavan Kala, Itupalakshita. So Kala, time factor, is the Supreme Personality of God. It is about these 24 ingredients of material elements. It is in between the spiritual element and the material element via media, that Kala. This is the description of Kala. So,